Hey everybody, it's Chef Nisha B and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here recording a video for you guys showing you how I make my fried chicken wings using my very own seasoning, chicken sparkle, which you can purchase on my website in the description below. And for this recipe, all you're going to need are these 5 simple ingredients: chicken sparkle, chicken, vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, and hot sauce. All right, so let's get started. First things first, we're going to need to let our chicken wings sit out for about an hour to let the temp come up a bit. This helps the breading stick to the chicken for a more crunchier texture. We have about 24 pieces of chicken here, and first we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, whatever kind of hot sauce you like, and then we're going to mix that all up and get it incorporated into our chicken. Next, we're going to add in our featured ingredient, which is our chicken sparkle seasoning, which you can purchase from my website at pgeatsandtreats.com, or just click the link in the description box below. But we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of chicken sparkle seasoning to this chicken, and then we're going to mix it all up and make sure everything's incorporated together. All right, moving right along. Now we're going to get our flour mixture ready with 2 cups of flour and 2 tablespoons of chicken sparkle seasoning. And we're just going to mix that all together. Next, we're going to bread our chicken here by putting in a couple pieces of chicken at a time, coating them in the flour, and then dusting off the excess flour, and then placing them on a pan until you're ready to fry them up. Now this is our chicken wings here, all floured up and ready to go into that hot oil bath. But you see here we still have some chicken flour left over, and if you're like me, I save that chicken flour in my refrigerator in a Ziploc bag for about a week or 2 and fry up more chicken if I need to. No need of letting it go to waste. All right, on to the next. We have our fry station set up here with our chicken wings, and then our hot oil, and then our pan with paper towels on it to drain the grease off after we take our chicken out. Okay, here we are doing a little water test to see if our oil is hot, and make sure you stand back when you do that unless you want to get popped. But we're going to add in a few pieces of chicken at a time, being sure not to overcrowd the pan. And we're going to cook that for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on how high your heat is, or even longer if you like it crispy like me. So that's just up to you. Or till 165, which is the temperature that chicken should be cooked to. So after cooking them on each side, we're going to put them on a paper towel to drain. But look at how golden that color is and how crispy that looks. We're going to place each piece of chicken on the paper towel to drain and then enjoy. Now you can toss these wings in your favorite wing sauce or even pair it with 2 sides. But either way, just try not to eat the bone. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that thumbs up, and follow me on social media at PG Eats and Treats.